By the time most people hit 40, something strange happens. They've worked for nearly 2 decades, yeah, but still feel broke. No real savings, debt piling up, and retirement feels like a fantasy. Most people stay broke for reasons they don't even realize. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 traps and show you how to avoid them. Number 5 hits hardest because it feels harmless, but it's not. Hello everyone, welcome to Profit Compass. If you are ready to grow your money, reduce debt, and build real wealth, subscribe now and join the journey. Let's start with lifestyle inflation, the silent wealth killer. Let's be real, when we start earning more, it's only natural to want nicer things. A new car, a bigger apartment, fancy dinners every weekend. Why not? But here's where most of us slip up. As our income goes up, our spending rises right along with it. It's called lifestyle inflation, and it quietly eats up what could have been your savings or investments. The key isn't to deny yourself everything. It's about prioritizing. Save first, even just a small percentage from every raise or bonus, then enjoy the rest guilt-free. Because the truth is, your future won't thank you for the extra takeout, but it will thank you for a growing savings account. Most people overlook this next step, not because it's hard, but because it feels unnecessary. That is, until reality hits. No emergency fund means you're one surprise away from real financial stress. A job loss, a hospital bill, or a major car repair. Just one of these can throw your entire budget into chaos. And when that happens, what do most people do? They reach for the quickest solution: credit cards, personal loans, or borrowed money. Anything to stay afloat. And that's exactly how this mistake opens the door to the next one. Now let's talk about that third trap, it's debt. This catches way too many people. Credit cards, car loans, buy now, pay later. Modern life runs on borrowed money. But here's the truth. The average American household carries over $7,000 in credit card debt. And with interest rates around 20%, that's like setting your money on fire. In the UK, the car finance market is booming in 2025. In March alone, new car finance agreements jumped 11% compared to last year. For new cars, finance volumes in Q1 were 16% higher than last year, while used car finance saw a smaller 3% rise in March but dipped 3% for the whole quarter. This trend means more UK drivers are regularly taking out new loans and swapping cars more often. The average car loan amount is over £12,800, and UK household debt is at an all-time high, nearly double what it was a decade ago. Taking on car finance adds to monthly outgoings and overall debt burden. If we can't pay for it in full, we can't afford it. Build the habit of delaying gratification. It's not sexy, but it's powerful. Here's a big one: not investing early. Too many people say, "I'll start investing when I earn more." Or giving a reason, "The market looks risky right now." But every year you wait, you lose the power of compound growth. Many people drift through their financial lives without a clear roadmap. They react to circumstances rather than proactively shaping their future. The absence of a clear financial plan means individuals often drift aimlessly. There's no target, no direction, just day-to-day money management. Don't wait for perfect. Start small. Start now. Time in the market beats timing the market every time. Let's be honest, school teaches you algebra and Shakespeare, but not how to budget, avoid debt, or build wealth. That's not your fault, but you can control what you learn now. Most people don't even know their net worth, or how much they spend each month. If you want to get ahead, then track your expenses. Read one financial book at least a year. Knowledge compounds, just like money. Finally, let's talk about one of the sneakiest traps of all: trying to keep up with everyone else. They buy a luxury car, they go on luxury vacations. You feel behind, but what you don't see, many are drowning in debt. You're comparing your real life to someone else's highlight reel. Remember, financial freedom is worth more than fake flexes, because true financial success is about freedom. The freedom to spend your time how you want, sleep without stress, and make choices on your terms. That beats impressing strangers online every single time. Focus on your journey, Run your race, not theirs. So if you're in your 30s or even your 40s and still feel behind, you're not alone. But you don't have to stay stuck. Small, consistent changes, like saving before spending, avoiding debt traps, investing early, and staying focused on your own path, can completely shift your financial future. Start today, not tomorrow, not next year. Because the sooner you take control, the sooner you stop feeling broke and start building real freedom. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a financial reset.